friends, welcome back to Bhau-Automation Lab once again. And in this online video session, we are practicing some important topic related to the Selenium. And in this topic, first of all, let's try to learn action class in Selenium. Okay, we are seeing all the things practically here, how to do that action class. Whenever we need to work on any mouse actions or keyboard actions, we need to use this action class while working on the day-to-day routine in the Selenium. Okay, so how to do this and how to use this action class and how many methods we can apply using this action class, we'll see this all the concepts practically. So let's first of all let's understand what is action class in Selenium. In the Selenium, action class provides a way to perform a complex user interactions with the web elements, such as mouse clicks, keyboard actions, and drag and drop, and many more operations. Okay, so whenever we need to use any mouse action or any keyboard action, like right click, double click, everything we are doing through the mouse clicks, right? Keyboard actions like a caps locks, any key we need to press in the keyboard, or if you want to drag and drop some file from somewhere. So in this type of complex scenarios, we need to use this action class in Selenium. This is very important class, okay, while working with the day-to-day routing in the Selenium. For the syntax is action class is like a driver is equal to new Chrome driver. This is the instance variable we are creating for the Chrome driver. As per the 4.6 update on the Selenium documents, we not need to provide any Chrome driver exe path here. If you are using the latest version of Chrome driver, we just need to create an instance variable or object of Chrome driver here, WebDriver, and just provide that WebDriver instance here. And using this driver as an instance variable or the object of this Chrome driver, you can provide the use the driver to get all the methods related to the Chrome driver, and you can use that. Okay, so we need to write this line only. After that, we need to create an instance for this class. We need to use this action class. So action is new actions, and we need to provide that driver instance variable into that actions. To understand the actions class, we need to whatever action we need to provide on the web page. Okay, so creating an instance of the action class from the Selenium WebDriver. So this will be creating the instance of action class, and it's provide the from the Selenium WebDriver. So this is the syntax. So let's understand first concept, hover over on the web element. So whenever we move to element on the web element target method to move the mouse cursor on that specific element, whenever we see that, let's see the understand this concept practically. So I'll open the website. So first of all, let's open our official website. Is called as Bhau-Automation.Lab.com. This is the official website, guys. So we can use that. So prerequisite for this official website to use it, you need to register on the website. Okay, so first of all, go to the register page. Okay, once it's open registered page, and just you enter your username and all these details and registered here. It's totally free. You can register it, and you can use this website as a practice to do the all type of practice related to the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, I have already registered, so I'm not going to register it again. I'm entering my email and username and password into the username password field. Okay. Okay, and I'm just going to the login. So whenever you guys first of all you come here, so I'll recommended you to register the website first. You are coming on the profile page. If you want to change this profile pictures and everything, you can change it immediately, as I am changing, or this is not mandatory thing. So first of all, whenever I need to click on this Selenium practice practice section, so when I want to click on this Selenium practice section, I need to hover the mouse on the this my account menu, right? So my account section here, if I hover the mouse on this my account section, then I'm able to see that all the options which is available here, right? So I need to hover on this first of all. After that, you can able to click on this Selenium practice page, right? If I click on the Selenium practice page, so Selenium practice page, you can practice related to the link test, number between 13 to 40, how to automate the sliders, everything we will see practically here, how to automate the drop downs, how to automate radio buttons, how to upload the files, everything you can able to do if you are just registered on this site. Okay, so here is the shop page, and we can using this shop page, we can you can practice related to the any framework related to the hybrid BDD Cucumber TDD framework. You can practice it related to, and there are many more notes related to the Selenium, Java concepts and everything, and many more things are coming here on the website. So just registered here and use this all the like this menus and everything related to the Selenium, like documents and practice page and everything. You can easily available for you. It's totally free. Just registered on the website. So first of all, I need to hover on this. Let's come to the topic, and this hover on this, and after that we can click on able to click on this Selenium practice page, right? So this is the mouse action, right? So we can able to perform this mouse action using action class. Okay, so whenever this type of condition will become in your practical examples in the your real-time working, so we need to use action class when we need to hover on this type of section. So let's do this concepts practically. I'm going to the Eclipse. So I'll creating one package here. So package name is like let's say com dot selenium dot practice. Okay, I created this package, and in this package I'll first of all let's new class, and I'm creating new class as a action class. Okay, so let's, for practicing purpose, I'm using just Java main method. So we are not using any test engine or anything here. For the practicing purpose, I'll just using main method, and using Java application we are doing the practice. So this is our main method. Okay, Control Shift O. Okay, once we write a main method, let's create a WebDriver instance variable. So WebDriver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, so we have created object of Chrome driver and a WebDriver instance variable and assigning to the Chrome driver. Okay, let's import this. Control Shift O, so that Selenium WebDriver is imported, Chrome driver is imported. We have created this instance variable. Through this driver we can drive our entire script now. So as per the new documentations, 4.6, after the 4.6 of Selenium version, we not need to set up any exe path here to launch our Chrome driver or anything. Okay, so I'm using here the Selenium latest version, which is 4.12.1. You can add whatever dependency which is latest whenever you are watching this video. Okay, so let's try to get driver dot get, and let's string. So we need to get our website here. So I'll copying this HTTP with Bhau-Automation.com. Okay, so let's add some implicit weight here. Driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicit weight. So if you don't know the synchronization stuff, watch the synchronization video first in Bhau-Automation Lab official YouTube channel, and you can learn this all the things related to the synchronization. So duration of seconds, let's say add for seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, now we have get this one Automation Lab, right? So first of all we need to log in to the website, right? So I'll just going to the logout section, and whenever you come to the home page with the new window, let's say I'm using new window like Automation lab.com. So whenever you open the first time website like related to the Automation lab.com in the incognito mode, or WebDriver also launched the website in the incognito mode itself, right? It's not taking any cookies or anything. So this type of pop-up will be get generated automatic to unlock your all the features and registered to access that. So whenever you registered, and it will click and it will like redirect to the registered page, right? So we need to first of all close this pop-up. So I'll just inspecting this element related to close this pop-up, this close icon. Okay, right? So let's create XPath for this. I'm just copying the XPath here. If you want to practice it to the XPath, you can practice and create by your own. And for the demo purposing, I'm just copying from the browser itself. So it's highlighting element and So I'm writing here like a driver dot find element by dot xpath. Let's see by dot xpath, and I'm just closing that pop-up by clicking on that particular close icon element. Okay, once we close that particular pop-up, then we need to click on this login link, right? So this is the login link. So yeah, this is the link related to the link test. So we can directly click on this using link test. So driver dot find element by dot link text. Let's say link text, and we can just pass here link text. What is the link text here? So it's login, right? So we are taking that text from here, from the page. Let's say hover on it. Yeah, it's login. So I'll just copying that text from here and paste it here. And just let's click on this element. Okay. Whenever we redirect to the login page, we need to pass our username and password here. So our username. So let's go on this element, and here is the name, ID, and everything. Let's take ID for this time. So let's click. Whenever you click, it will take some time. So let's add some thread dot sleeve here. Let's say 2 seconds. Okay, and after that, just hover on it and throw these declarations here. And after that, let's say driver dot find element. Let's say by dot ID, and in this ID, I'll just passing that ID, and we need to send keys here. Provide our username. So using send keys, we can provide our username here. So my username is at gmail.com. at gmail.com. It's my username. So just provided that one. After that, we need to provide the password as well. So I'm hovering on it and taking the password as ID. Okay, and just writing here like a driver dot find element. Let's say by dot ID, and we are just passing that ID here. And then hot send key, we need to provide our password. So this is my password, like you at the rate hash, let's say 14. And after that, we need to click on this button, right? Submit button or login button. Okay, so let's hover on it. So this type is equal to submit, right? So here is a ID. Yes, this is the ID. So we can click here. So if you have a ID there, you can firstly prefer to the ID itself. So by dot ID, and let's pass this ID and dot click. So here we have a login code is ready. Now our main action class is coming to the picture here after this particular. So statement like we have to log in first in the account, and then we need to hover on the my account section, right? So whenever we provide the like username and password here, like let's say 14, and then we'll just log in. Whenever you log in, we have to go to the my account and hover on that my account section to click on Selenium practice page, right? So we need to hover on it. So here to hover on the element, our action class come into the picture, right? So after the login successful, we just need to add the thread dot sleep. This is for your understanding purpose. I'm not recommending this thread dot sleep at all, guys. Okay, while working with the real time examples. So let's syntax as per we have understand actions. Action is equal to new action. Okay. In this action class, we need to provide our like driver as an instance variable driver. Okay. Just import this action class from the let's import this one actions. Here is actions. Okay. So we have created the action class objects here, right? And we have provided that instance variable. So here, what we have learned here, like WebDriver is equal to new Chrome driver is the instance variable we have created for Chrome driver. Then we have created action class objects here and provide that WebDriver as instance variable. Creating the instance of action class, we have created that instance action class here, and from this class from the Selenium WebDriver. So Selenium WebDriver we have provided here, right? So now we need to hover on that element. So hover on, you need to perform first mouse action like hover on the element. So whenever we want to hover on the any element, we need to move, use that move to element method to move the mouse cursor on a specific web element. So first of all, we need to understand this web element. So let's create a web element as a my account. Okay, so this is the my account as the web element, right? Okay, let's find the element, this my account web element. So let's hover on it, cursor, and this is the href my account. So this is again link test. So we'll take my account as a link test. But first of all, we need to like store that web element into the one variable. Okay, so this is the web element. Whenever we need to store any web element, the return type of that particular element is web element, right? Web element, let's say my account is equal to, let's say, driver dot find element by dot link test. Again, we are taking that as a link test and we are passing here. Okay, this web element is stored. Control Shift O to import this web element. So this is our my account, right? Now using this action class, we need to hover on it, right? So let's use this action as a action class object to perform the action. So actions, there are multiple methods here. So first of all, let's use this first method to perform hover actions on a web element. Hover over, move to the element, right? So let's type that move to the element method, actions dot move to the element, right? And here is the return type of that element is web element, targeted element. So this is my account. We need to perform the action. After that, we need to build this step, guys. Without this steps, it will not work. Okay, so always do the build and dot perform. You can directly type the perform here as well. Still it's work, but the best practice is always that build that step and perform the action on that particular element, right? So this is how we can move to that element and build action, perform the build automatically. Without these two steps, your code will not get work. So many time people just doing this mistake, just like moving that element and giving semi-comma here itself. So it will not showing any error. It will not showing any error, but it will not work as well whenever we run the code. So always the best practice is build dot perform. You need to write that one. After that, it will work. Okay, so we have ready code with, we have login, we have using this implicit wait as a duration of wait. We are closing that pop-up. After that, clicking on the login link using that link test, and after that entering username and password, clicking on the login button, and then using this action class, we are hovering on this particular my account element. Okay, so let's just run this code and let's say whether we are able to hover on that particular element or not. Yes, it's open window. It's close that pop-up, right? Yes, it's entered username and password and click on the login button. And it's hover on the my account section. Perfect. It's automatically hover on that, and it will expand that the menu section related to the my account, like Selenium Practice Shop, Selenium and Java and everything. Okay. Now we have done the Selenium hover action. After that, we need to click on that Selenium practice page. How to click that? We have simply said that driver.click. This is the WebDriver method, but how to use that click method using action class, we will learn in the next chapter. So continue watching this video. Till time, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.